Here is some English grammar that you need to know. Superlative adjectives. Start the lesson. Superlative adjectives. Let's start with a test to test your English grammar knowledge. Then I'll teach you the grammar rules and finally I'll give you another test. Are you ready? Let's begin with question number 1. Who do you think is the actress in your country? Who do you think is the most famous actress in your country? Number 2, what's video game you've ever played? What's the best video game you've ever played? Number 3, what's movie you've seen recently? What's the worst movie you've seen recently? The next one, number 4. What's way to get fit? What's the easiest way to get fit? Note the spelling with easiest. And the last one, number 5. Who's sportsperson in your country? Who's the most famous sportsperson in your country? Okay, how did you do with my grammar test? All about superlative adjectives. It's time for me to teach you the grammar rules to help improve your grammar before the final test. One, two, three, 4, 5. I'm going to give you 5 really useful grammar rules. My first grammar rule: for short adjectives with 1 syllable, tall, fast, add est. That's right, add est to the end. My next grammar tip: for adjectives of 1 or 2 syllables that end in y, cross out the y and add an I, and then add est. Long adjectives of 2 or more syllables, add most. Beautiful, most beautiful. Remember, we always add the definite article, the, before our superlative adjectives. And finally, there are some irregulars: good, the best, bad, the worst. For irregular superlative adjectives, you just have to learn them. Okay, so those are my 5 grammar rules when it comes to superlative adjectives. Are you ready now for the final test? Let's go. Test number 2. Can you do better in this test compared to the first one? Question number 1. What's memory you have? What's the earliest memory you have? Note the spelling with Y, cross out the Y and add an I. Number 2, what's holiday you've ever had? What's the most exciting holiday you've ever had? Remember, for long adjectives, add the, most. Number 3, what's meal you've ever had? What's the most delicious meal you've ever had? Number 4, what's sport on TV? What's the most boring sport on TV? And number 5, what's thing about learning English? What's the most difficult thing about learning English? How did you do with the final test? How many questions did you get correct? Thank you so much for watching this English language lesson. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and of course subscribe to my channel, The Grammar Goat English Academy. You'll find I post a daily short and a weekly longer English lesson. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your English language learning and I'll see you in the next lesson.